Here we are again, playing with our food. Another TikTok tested. This has been the I don't know about you, CJ, or you, Ethan, or any of you at home. I think I've seen this one way too many times.
It's been out there a lot.
I've never tried it.
Is it worthy of the test
It
kitchen?
looks like this is worth a try. This is a fun one. Honestly, this is something that would probably be on your show, CJ.
Yep.
But it's not. It's here. We're TikTok tested the Smashburger taco. Let me show you how I like to do it. Now, before we get to our beef, I want to get to my condiments. I want everything to be ready to go the second it's time to cruise on Smashburgers. We all know how Smashburgers, they take like 90 seconds tops.
So we're getting our mise en place.
Dude, I am so proud of you. Yes, the mise en place. I'm doing my tomatoes and my onions relatively small. I'm going salsa. I feel like we're in taco territory.
We are, but it's not taco.
I know, but we want it to look a little bit like a taco, so it's kind of like salsa. Hit that with just a touch of salt and pepper. Tomatoes love salt. So that's it for condiment one. Let's get to some romaine lettuce. I like to do very, very thinly sliced. For my burgers and for my tacos, so this is appropriate.
You made me a believer in this.
Appropriate for me. I want the crunch, I want the green, mix it all together. That one is great. Now let's get to our sauce. Special sauce is no secret, but it is special.
It's quite special.
It's very special. Just a few ingredients. I'm going to change it up a little bit. We're starting with mayo. We've got our mustard. We've got our ketchup. We've got our relish. I am using sweet relish. You could stop there and you would be winning. Like these things alone, mix that together, you've got a great sauce. I'm gonna go with a touch of lemon juice to bring a bit of acidity, and I'm gonna go with some garlic powder, and instead of paprika, I'm doing chili powder. This is gonna give us the color and a lot more flavor. Paprika is actually made from red bell peppers. You know that, CJ?
I did know that. Do you know it's a fruit?
Spray, you know that.
Huh?
Spray, you know that.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that's it. That's a very, very simple special sauce. Now let's get to our ground beef. General rule of thumb is use 80-20. Now I'm going to turn all of these into, let's do 6. We'll do 6 equal meatballs. We're probably in the 3 to 4 ounce range here. Don't over squeeze them. We're not making like meatballs, like Italian style meatballs. It's a spicy meatball and it's a wrong show. Dang it, CJ. You want them lightly packed, just like that. I've got my Blackstone set to stun, high heat. We definitely want really, really high heat for Smashburgers. So, I mean, here's where we go. CJ, I haven't actually done this. Have you done this?
I have not done it.
If you've done this at home, let me know in the comments right now, and then leave me another comment later to see how I did.
See how we did.
I guess we put these down, and then we put the tortilla on.
That's what they do on TikTok.
All right.
And then you put the tortilla on and smash them into the tortilla.
All right, so I've got flour tortillas. So this actually solves the sticking problem. For those of you, just like that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, this solves the sticking problem if you ever make Smashburgers at home. Sometimes you get that stick. This is cool.
Is it?
I feel good about this.
Do we?
I do. How do you feel?
I don't know.
This is kind of awesome.
I don't know that I feel great about it.
I feel pretty good about this. All right,
Okay.
can we, let's do 2 more.
Okay.
I have an idea.
So you want to divert from the test already, even though we haven't technically got through a test yet?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Let's do 2 more regular,
Great.
and we'll see how we're doing. Maybe I won't. We'll see how this works out. All right, you know what? I bet you could even, dude,
Look at that.
you don't need the spatula.
We got the tortilla to do the barrier from the heat.
All right, I'm digging this. So we haven't seasoned yet. We'll season on flip. But again, we're like, so what do you just hang out now?
Yeah.
Let me know. Have you made these at home? I want to peek real quick.
Dude, it just got on there.
Yeah, let it sit for a second. Let's let it sit for 90 seconds. See you in 30. No, see you in 20 seconds.
Sounds
20 seconds. Feel good. Feel good. Okay.
All right.
Come on. I mean, this is fun. This is fun. All right, let's hit this with cheese. I've got American cheese. If I'm like, American cheese is fantastic. Do not be afraid of American cheese. It may not seem elevated to your palates.
Because it's not, but it's amazing.
Man,
The palate loves American cheese.
I got the extra thick kind.
Of course you did.
Oh, come on. Okay, so we're officially
doing
in
the
weird
slice-
territory.
Doing the slicing, the sliced cheese makes it still hang out in the burger territory.
Oh yeah, the only thing different at the moment is the tortilla, and this is fun for me. I like this. So the bottom bit of beef is gonna cook now on the other side while this cheese melts. That's the consensus here?
That's, I guess.
All right, ooh, get back over here in the middle.
Buddy.
I wanna try something. I'm gonna slide these to the slightly cooler side because they look awesome. Whoa, no!
Oh, no.
Oh,
Whoa.
whoa.
That was close.
Wrong
Yeah.
show, CJ.
Yeah.
Hey now, there we go. Here we go.
Watch out.
Yeah, they're finicky. They don't want to stick to that tortilla. Whoa, oh, but it's getting crisp.
Never meant to happen this way.
Whoa, all right, here's what I'm gonna try. I have not seen this yet, but I have a feeling it's gonna work. I've got some just Mexican blend, easy, simple cheese. I'm gonna do this first. I'm gonna do,
I see. We're doing skirt.
I wanna do cheese, crispy cheese on the inside of this thing. So should we go like a little bigger than the tortilla?
So inside, not on the outside?
I think it's gonna start on the outside, but then it's gonna move to the inside. I mean, we'll see.
Okay.
This is, yeah, never done this. Audible at the moment. If you've never made a cheese skirt like this, it's a lot of fun. All right, let's take another tortilla. Let's go right on top of the cheese, CJ.
Okay.
All right, this is what's happening. We're layering now.
I was on the bottom cheese and put it on the top cheese. Okay, now we got it.
I'm feeling pretty good. Feeling pretty good about this. So let's let this sit for a second.
Okay.
So are we gonna have to smash our burgers separately now?
That's a great question because this has never been done.
You know what else? I'm gonna dome this.
Cheese it up.
Yeah,
Okay.
there we go.
So we
check
might
this
have
out.
gone in a reverse order here for this cheese.
Perhaps.
Perhaps the test kitchen has tested something that was never meant to be done.
Never tell me the odds, kid.
Oh yes! Yeah.
Felt too good to not. Sorry. All right, this is good. I feel good about this. However, I'm bringing this back to the cutting board because it'll be overcooked. You're right. I should have done the burger first. Okay, here comes the next one. All right, I'm gonna put these back on.
Quick audible in the test
Audible.
kitchen. Thank God this is the test kitchen.
CJ Fraser special right here. Let it sit on that really hot griddle for just a bit until that bottom side starts cooking. That way when we flip it over and smash it, we don't risk sticking to our spatula. Let's season this and the others with just a bit of our whiskey burger. And I feel good about this, CJ. I feel really, really good about this.
Good, I'm
I
glad
think
you
we made
feel
an
good.
audible. I think we did the original justice, and now we build it. All the toppings, all the deliciousness. This is easy. The toppings are really fun. We said it was gonna look kind of like salsa, and it does. We've got lettuce, tomato, onion. That's what a cheeseburger should have. We've got that special sauce. Mine got a little crispy. I kind of dig that cheese skirt. And if you filled them up a little bit like I did, you know, it's fine. It's supposed to be a mess. This is not beard friendly.
This is a test kitchen after all.
And I haven't tried it yet, but I have high hopes. Dude, the tortilla got kind of crispy.
I think that's actually really important in my
Yeah.
opinion for this.
Dude, this is gonna be messy. I don't want to eat all over all the other tacos.
Yeah, don't.
I'm pulling
Back away.
I'm pulling garbage can in. Here we go. Not beard friendly. It's gonna burn my mouth. I know it.
Is it still screaming hot?
It's cheeseburger and a taco, dude.
Yeah.
Cutting your vegetables that tiny tricks your brain. I feel like I'm eating a taco, only
That's not a taco.
that's not the right show to be making movie quotes. Although, speaking of which, I saw a comment the other day where someone thought I was you and enjoyed the episode because they got all the way through it without a single movie quote.
Oh my God. What?
Why do people think we don't look alike?
Yeah, I'm way better.
Let me know in the
looking than
comments. Dude, CJ and I, we look nothing alike. Let me know if you disagree. And dude, come eat one of these.
you. Okay, I'm on the way.
This is fantastic. This is a really fun way to play with your food. It takes the same amount of time as Smashburgers.
So should I try
Truly.
like the
Dude,
the
do the
regular
cheese
or-
skirt one. Do the
Okay.
cheese skirt one. That one's probably not as crispy. I bet the cheese helped insulate. Or is it crunchy?
Cheesy and slit. Nope, it's
Yeah.
not as. Not
Dude,
as
this is
crispy.
this is fantastic.
All right. So.
It's kind of like Big Mac, right?
It's
Isn't that what a Big Mac
cheeseburger.
is?
Yeah. You
Like Big Mac sauce?
sauce on your beard.
I told you it wasn't beer friendly.
Nah, dude.
So there you go. It has been tested. It has been approved. That's a lot of fun. Not a lot of moving parts here. Easy. The cheese trick, haven't seen that one. That was a fun
Correct.
twist. I want to see how you all do it. I want to see other variations of this. This is fun.
It's
This-
a cheeseburger.
it was
It's a fun way to eat a cheeseburger.
It was a little more fun than the, what's the Taco Bell folded thing that you do? Because I did one. No, what's it called when you fold the tortilla in
the
like,
quesadilla, like folded four way.
yeah, what is that thing called?
I don't know.
Whatever, you live at Taco Bell.
No, I don't.
Crunch wrap. How did I remember that?
You've not made a crunch. Oh, like a.
I made
yeah,
a crunch
you have
wrap.
made a
Yeah,
cheeseburger crunch wrap.
It's pretty
I
fun.
guess you're right.
There you go. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Let us know in the comments down below what should we TikTok test next, or other viral fun recipe. This one, I like it. I dig it. I dig it. If you have not yet, down below, click the subscribe button. If you're on YouTube, click the bell icon so you get a notification every time we post a video. Watch all the other fun shows on the Blackstone Network and give this one a go. Play with your food. Have fun. This is Cook Eat Repeat. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy. We'll see you all in the next video. actually surprisingly good.